and welcome back to Simply Fatima. I'm so excited that you're here for another video. Today's video, we are going to talk about my Louis Vuitton mini bag collection, and we're going to talk about my most used Louis Vuitton bags to my least used Louis Vuitton mini bags. Thank you, Christina Marie, for suggesting this video. I think this is going to be a fun video, so thanks again. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. And if you are new, welcome to Simply Fatima, where we talk about all things luxury and luxury handbags. If you have not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also, while you're at it, please give this video a thumbs up and also hit the bell's notification button so that you'll never miss an upload from me. Also, follow me on Instagram at _simplyfatima_loves_luxury so that we can connect there just like we connect here. I love getting to know each and every one of you guys on both social media platforms. Keep in mind that I am doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. One lucky winner will get to win the tote bag by Marc Jacobs, and another lucky winner will get to win these Gucci sunglasses. If you are interested in the 1,000 subscriber giveaway, please make sure to check the description box for all the entry details. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So like I mentioned before, this video was suggested by Christina Marie. Thank you, girl, for suggesting this video. I think this is a great video because I was going to do a video on my worst luxury purchases and the best luxury purchases that are outside of handbags. So, well, including handbags and other luxury items like shoes, perfume, that sort of thing. But I think it's fun to do the talk about my Louis Vuitton mini bag collection and rate my bags from most used to least used, so that maybe if you're interested in any of the bags I'm going to showcase in this video, then hopefully this video is helpful to one of you guys in how you decide you're going to purchase the item. So the first bag that we are going to talk about should not be any surprise, is the Louis Vuitton favorite in the size PM in the Damier Ebene canvas. This is one of my most used handbags out of all the mini handbags that I'm going to showcase in today's video. This is my most used because this is one of my oldest mini bags that I own from Louis Vuitton. So of course I've gotten the most use out of this one. Not only is it one of my oldest mini Louis Vuitton handbags, but it's gotten a lot of use just because of the versatility of it. Like I've mentioned in previous videos that I can link in the cards above and in the description box, is that this bag is very versatile. You can wear this bag so many different ways. You can wear this bag as a wristlet. You can convert the chain into like a little wristlet, and you can wear the bag as a wristlet. You can wear it as a handheld clutch. You can wear it as a short shoulder bag, or you can wear it as a long shoulder bag with the leather strap, or you can wear it as a crossbody bag with the leather strap. The inside of the bag is just one large compartment with a back pocket or a slip pocket in the back, and this bag literally holds so much. Again, I will link the video where I show what fits inside of this bag and my thoughts and opinions on it. Also, another reason why this bag is mostly used, because not only of the versatility, but when you wear it as a crossbody bag and you fill it up, even though the strap is thin and it's a leather strap, it still remains very, very, very comfortable. So this bag has gotten so much use. It's like #1 on the list for me, and I just love this bag. Unfortunately, Louis Vuitton does not carry this bag on their website, so this is one of those pre-loved items that you would have to get from like Fashion File, Rebag, or The Real, or whichever other pre-loved site that you like to order your pre-loved items from. So you do have to order this pre-loved, and this item does come in 2 sizes, the PM, which is this size, and the MM, which is a larger size. Also, it comes in 2 other canvas prints, so it comes in monogram and it comes in damier azur as well. So the favorite should not be any surprise based off of my latest videos that this is one of my most used handbags, and I highly recommend this, and I really adore this bag, and I'm pretty sure you guys will love this bag just as much as I love this bag if you get your hands on it. And if you have one, comment down below how much you love your favorite, because I love mine, and this is something that I'm not taking out of my collection. And I forgot to mention the hardware on this bag is all gold, and it is a magnetic closure. If you don't like magnetic closure bags, I'm not sure if this is the bag for you. I haven't had much issues with my magnet. My magnet is still strong, like 3 years later. So yeah, so this is my first most used handbag. The second most used handbag, which was also a close first, was my Palm Springs Mini. I absolutely love my Palm Springs Mini. It is the perfect mini bag. It holds so many items. It's so versatile as well. You can wear it as a shoulder bag, crossbody bag, or as a backpack. I prefer to wear mine as a crossbody bag just because I don't really like the way it looks as a backpack on me, because it falls so low. It's like it falls awkwardly on my body as a backpack, so I just prefer to wear it as a crossbody bag. The bag chain that I have on here, I did order that from Organize My Bag. I love this bag because it is so carefree. It doesn't have any vachetta on it. It's trimmed in black leather, which is really nice. I love the monogram canvas. It does have a front pocket. I don't really use the front pocket at all because one, it's hard to get in, and two, what really fits in here besides a few pieces of change? Yeah, not much fits in here. I rarely even open that. So yeah, the inside of the bag, well, I have my straps on the inside of the bag. So these are the straps. The straps are removable and they are adjustable, and they come in black as well. Or in the black leather. Then you have the main compartment. It's just one black main compartment with the back pocket, and it fit a ton. Like, I absolutely love this bag. I purchased this bag back in November, and I literally carried it for a month straight. Literally. I literally had to tell myself, Fatima, you have other bags that you need to carry and review, so you need to rotate it up. But it was so hard. Even to this day, before I rotated to my bum bag, I really wanted to rotate back to my Palm Springs Mini, just because it's just an easy casual bag. It goes with every outfit. You can dress it up, dress it down. It's carefree because it doesn't have any vachetta on it. And it's just such a great bag. I love this bag so much. This is one of those bags where it's just like, how was I doing life without this Palm Springs Mini? Literally, that's what I have to tell myself. So if my favorite wasn't my oldest handbag out of my mini collection, the Palm Springs Mini would have been like #1 on the list, because that's how much I love it. Like, that's how much I reach for it. I reach for this bag all the time, but I always have to remind myself, like, hey girl, you have other options you have to reach for. But I just love my Palm Springs Mini. If you've been on the fence about the Palm Springs Mini, don't be on the fence, because I was one of those people who were on the fence for a very long time. Honestly, I'm happy that I waited, because they did come out with a new model. The new model has the exposed zipper, and the old model has like a flap, like how the bum bag has a flap over the zipper. So the old model used to have a flap over the zipper, but then people were having issues with glazing and it just being annoying and getting in the way. So they created a new model where the zipper is exposed. So I am happy I did wait for that. But now, since the new model is out, and if you've been on the fence about it, I say go for it, especially since Louis Vuitton continues to have these price increases. I suggest that you either just go ahead and hop on the train before the train leaves you at the station, or if you don't want to buy brand new, you can buy pre-loved, but the pre-loved prices go up just as much as Louis Vuitton prices. So I don't know if you're getting a bargain there either, unless you know somebody who's selling the handbag and they can discount it to you like under retail price. Then you can go that route. But the Palm Springs Mini is such a great backpack, or a little mini crossbody bag. It's so great. I love it. So, runner up, Palm Springs Mini. Also, I wanted to mention, before I move on to the next bag, that also the Palm Springs Mini holds almost just as much as the bum bag, and the bum bag is pretty spacious. It holds just as much, maybe not as much, but just as much. For like a mini bag, it holds a lot. And if you have a YSL toy Lulu, everything that fits inside of the YSL Toy Lulu can fit inside of the Palm Springs Mini, just FYI, for size comparison and how much it can hold. So yeah, check this bag out. I'll leave a link to this bag and all the bags in the description box down below. And if you want me to do a detailed video on any of the bags, just also comment that in the comment section down below, and I'll make sure I create that video for you guys, okay? The next handbag that is in my Louis Vuitton mini collection, that's in between most used and in between the least used, is my Pochette Assassiwar. I'm not 100% why I don't really reach for this bag that often, because it's a very simple bag. Like, out of all the monogram pieces, it's the one piece that doesn't have much vachetta. Like, yes, it has the vachetta strap and it also has a vachetta tab, but I don't use the Louis Vuitton vachetta strap. I use a vachetta strap that I got from Organize My Bag, just because I really want to preserve my Louis Vuitton vachetta strap. So that just leaves me with the vachetta Louis Vuitton tab that's on the side of the bag. Because this bag, like I said, is very simple, not much vachetta, you would think that I would reach for it more, but I really don't. I don't understand why I don't reach for it much. I just don't. So it's one of those in between, like I either grab for it or I don't grab for it. Out of the last two bag options that I'm gonna show you, I grab for this bag more than I do my last two bags that I'm gonna show you in this video. The inside of this bag is just the textile lining, the fabric textile lining, one man compartment with the back pocket in the back of the bag, and there's nothing to it, no rhyme or reason. It's just a bag. I usually use this bag more as a keep-all bag than I do actually carry it as a purse, especially when I'm using my Neverfull. That's when I use it the most. It is an easy, simple grab and go bag. Like, it holds your essentials, maybe a little bit more. It doesn't hold as much as the bum bag, granted, but it does hold just what you really need if you're running a quick errand or so. But the Pochette Assassiwar is such a great, cute bag. Again, this bag was affected by the price increase, so I say if you can get your hands on the Pochette Assassiwar, I say get it now. Do I think it's worth paying $1,000 for it? Not so much. That's just my opinion. Not so much. But if you can get it before it reaches that, then go for it. It's a great catch-all bag. It's a great grab-and-go bag. It's a great vacation bag. It's great for, like, if you have it now and you save it for like somebody, a daughter or a niece or a nephew, you just never know, then this is a great piece. If you're trying to get your foot into luxury but you don't want to like get such a big bag, a large bag or a medium bag, not even a small bag, I would say go for the Pochette Assassiwar if you're trying to get your foot inside of a Louis Vuitton or luxury. Like, if you don't want to jump into the Neverfull pool, then a Pochette Assassiwar is great if you can get your hands on it. I know it's still super very sought after, so yeah, you can either go pre-loved with this or just continuously stock the website. I contacted client services when I got my bag. They placed me on the wait list and I was able to have a Pochette Assassiwar literally 24 hours later after being on the wait list. So you can go that route, or continuously stock the website, or continuously stock your boutique. So yes, so the Pochette Assassiwar is that in the middle of most used, close to least used, but when I can remember to grab for it, that's when I grab for it. So the Pochette Assassiwar. So now we're getting to the end of the spectrum of my least used Louis Vuitton mini bags, and the bag that I'm about to show you is, okay, let me just get into it. So one of my least used handbags is the Nano Speedy. The Nano Speedy is not least used because of the functionality of the bag. The functionality of the bag is great. It holds so many items. It's crazy. If deception had a picture in the dictionary, the Nano Speedy would be that picture, because this bag is very, very deceiving on how much it can hold. This bag holds a ton. The reason why this bag is least used in my Louis Vuitton mini bag collection is because I baby the heck out of this bag. I don't usually baby my bags at all, but I don't know why out of all of my Louis Vuitton bags I baby this one the most. I want to keep this bag in pristine condition. Granted, this bag has left the house. It has been outside, but I just baby it, and I don't, it's so sickening the way that I baby this bag. I don't want to baby it, but I just do. The bag has one zipper, all the hardware is gold. It has one main compartment, no back pockets. I have vachetta top handles. You also have a vachetta strap that is non-adjustable and you cannot remove it. And you have vachetta piping all around the edges of the Speedy. It is such a great bag. Also, this bag was affected by the Louis Vuitton price increase as well. And so, yeah. And so, I say if you can get your hands on the Nano Speedy, please do, because the functionality of it is insane. Even though the straps are thin and it's such a tiny bag that can hold a lot, it's still very comfortable. It doesn't dig into your skin or anything. But like I said, it's my least used because I'm babying this bag. It's annoying for me how much I baby this bag. I don't want to baby it, but I just do, and I'm just being honest with you guys. It's least used because I baby it so much. And I really love this bag, and yeah, so that's why this bag is my least used. It's not because of the functionality of it, it's just I baby it. My last least used bag is my Petite Sock Plot. It is my least used bag because one, I just received this bag. I did carry this bag last weekend, but it was just out to just test it out, see how well we vibe. I have come to the conclusion that I'm gonna make this handbag a clutch when I go out to dinner, go hang out with my friends, because it's easier to carry the least you have because it doesn't feel like you're playing Tetris. It does hold all of my essentials, but it's just not one of those everyday bags or convenient everyday bags that you can go to the store. I felt like when I was in the Target line, I was holding up the line because I was playing Tetris trying to reach my certain items. But yes, I have come to the conclusion that this is going to be like just my going out handbag. It does come with a removable strap that's not adjustable, and this is what the inside looks like, the inside of the bag. And it's my least use again because I just received this bag. We're still trying to learn each other and vibe with each other, and I do love this bag. I don't think this is a bag that I'm gonna get rid of or get out of my collection because it's such a statement piece. But I don't really have too much to say about it because again, I just received this bag. I've barely used it. But out of all of my Louis Vuitton mini bags, this is the least used bag. If you like content like this, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and also turn on your bell's notification. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at _simplyfatima_loves luxury. Again, don't forget that I am doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and all the entry details will be in the description box down below. And until next time, my loves, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!